Hey everybody, welcome to number 8 in this video series of Watch Me Practice My Trading on NQ on October 1st, 2024 using RDV4. I think that's all the stuff I'm supposed to say at the beginning of these. So this is the 8th video in the series, and we started at market open at 8:30 local time. And we traded a bunch in the morning. There was like 6 sessions in the morning. Last session, number 7, we started at around 12:45 local time. So that was at the tail end of lunch. We did about 20 minutes of trading on that one. And we are basically continuing where we left off on that session. And we've got a whole bunch of levels here. We had a big dip down in the morning, kind of flattened off. And now we're coming back up. So the question is, where are we going to go? Are we going to come all the way back up to the top? Are we going to stop at 50 or right where we're at and then continue down? Time will tell. And so we've got daily open, weekly open above us. Bunch of levels and the stuff that we had set from earlier today down below us. And by the way, this is the hour chart here. There's a 5-minute chart here. It looks like we were ranging sideways here for a little bit, and we might have broken out to the top side of that there. And then these other charts here are small, medium, and large tick charts. And I also have a 15-second chart above this on another monitor that you can't see, but that one is basically just like this guy right here. And so let's kind of see what we're doing here. So we're kind of going sideways here a little bit. Let's kind of draw a range box on here. Let's make it sort of like this. And then let's extend it out a little bit more. We'll make it like that. We had a little breakout below and above. We are trending upwards on this tick chart over here, right? So we are going like that. We are momentum long on here. We're momentum long here. This one switched momentum long, maybe switching over bias long. This guy here is momentum and bias long, but not all of these are super mega momentum and bias long, but they are enough. And let's kind of see what's going on over here. It looks like we might have had a push up, right? So we had this level here, that we kind of tap, pull back, tap. And now the question is, what do we want to do? I mean, it would be super fantastic if we get a pullback that we can get into. Right now, I really don't want to FOMO trade into this because those are bad sometimes. Near-term target would probably be up here, right? At the OR mid at about 75. Where is that on this chart? So that's like here-ish. So that's a decent move from like 35 to 75. That would be to what, 40 points? It could definitely do that. We did have a run up here. Looking at the 5-minute, we did have a run up here and no real pullback yet. Heck, it could go all the way up here to the OR high, right? It doesn't need a pullback, but oftentimes it does do a pullback. So let's kind of decide here what we want to do. And I think I made an announcement 1 or 2 episodes ago that I'm going to try not to FOMO into these too much and always be in a trade, because that's kind of like the impulse that I get when I'm making these videos, is to always be doing something. Granted, I sort of do that when I trade, but if there's an extended period where I'm not talking like I am now, I might clip that out when I post this video. So let's see. That's interesting right there. So we've got this level, right? And we're on the struggle bus of breaking through it, right? We had tap, tap, over tap. Let's do this. It may or may not get us. And if we're going to be talking range, let's get in on the bottom side of this. Yeah, do something like that. Let's look at this price action here. Look at those wicks. We might have a little bit of a pullback. I'm not foreseeing anything. I'm just looking at it and seeing that there's a potential struggle here on the top side. And then it's going to prove me wrong and it's going to rip up to like 75. Let's put a rectangle at 75. So that's kind of like a target at the mid. Oh, look at that. So we had a strong move there. Okay, let's do this. Let's whack these. And of course, I get in right at the top like a noob. There's our pullback, maybe. So we had strong candle here. Let's see. These circles are large orders. And let's see on quantity on those. It's 91 contracts here. And the little guy's 56. So what happened here? Oh, somebody right above here just did a 44 contract long. And it wasn't me. I was higher. Okay. So we are slightly in profit. Do we want to bail on this, thinking that we might get a chance to purchase lower later? Yeah, there's no indication of short yet. And then it's going to come down here and prove me wrong. I was a little too low on that. So 1 minute, 21 seconds on this. How are we on time? Time-wise, we are 118. It's the beginning of the afternoon pivot time. I hope this wasn't it right here. Oh boy. Okay, we're in for 8. I got to be ready to bail on this. We are getting the first stab at maybe it reversing. It all depends on if it holds this area here. Where's our line in the sand? So our line in the sand is going to be around 34 right here.
Trampoline.
Okay, we bailed on that. It's very likely to continue going up, but I did not like our cost average area. And this thing is, so it was going sideways here. Now it's starting to go sideways here. And the more sideways, the more chance of going down, right? Because if you look at this, this could be a level right here that it's struggling against. And now it's going to, head down, maybe like that. And then like that. Or like that. So let's kind of see. Let's see, how are we doing? So we got 670. That's okay. Yeah, look at those wicks. Big wick, big wick, big wick. Was big. So we had a short of 48 contracts right there. Let's kind of see here. Okay, we'll zoom out on this bad boy. See if we can do like an ascending channel here. So if I was a channel, I would start like right there. Let's say there and there. And then if I was a channel, I would also have boulder lines so people could see me. So with this flow right here, we'll see if we break below this. See, we dropped this level here. So it looks like, yeah, we didn't go to 50%. We're kind of approaching like what, 37% approximately. Oh wait, I need to get rid of this. That's dangerous.
Absorption bubble.
Look at that sideways action. Oops. Maybe like that. Let's see if this guy here is going to turn red. This guy is. 36 seconds left in this candle here. Potential rollover. Let's believe an impulse down for now. We'll know in a couple seconds if the chart believes an impulse down, or was this just a test? It might have been a test. Or not. Sarah likes to move around. Okay, what do we got going on here? Oops. I dinged myself. It just does not want to pick us up there. Okay, we're going to stick with the long. Wish our break even was a little higher. But we'll take a profit up here. See what happens. The new An improved line in the sand is now here. Let's be patient. Come on, dude, push through it. Coming up on 130. Actually, let's take 2 off right here. Okay, we're in for 10. Nice big green. Struggling at 64. Let's take off half and then we'll just try the rest. So we're in for 5. We want this guy here to stay green. Might reverse here. Where's our level? We got this thing up here. So that's our ultimate next target. So that's this guy. Here, let's get rid of some of these. Get rid of that. Oh, I think I just flushed our... Yeah, I did. Oh, well. Let's see. Let's do another one of these. So we're almost at the 50%. Actually, where are we? I should be looking over here. Okay, we're at the OR mid.
Intensity candle.
Let's see, which is going to be our, what we call a control chart. Where'd this come from? Oh, that was our target. So our next target is come on. Did it take us out? Yeah, it did. I was going to say our next target is up here. While I was screwing around with the deleting the circles. So that's like our next target. It's like, do we want to participate in a move up? Let's get an indication that we are moving up. Or are we going to pull back? Get rid of you. So you were a line from before. How are we on time? So 26 minutes, 135. We booked 2790. Might pull back as far as here. If we believe in this channel, but we also have this line here. I have this knack for getting my break even right at where it wants to like pivot. Well, I meant to buy two.
Short.
And I think I'm in trouble. So let's be patient. We're going to believe that this level here is a pullback and a test from above on this chart here. And then we got more upside. But we got some short signals firing. We'll call it a day there. So I don't know how long it's going to be messing around here. So we just took a little bit of profit. We paid for the trade. It's probably going to go up, but if it goes down, we're not going down with it and dinging our P&L. So we've got 30.40 for this session of 31 minutes. Okay. How did we do on this one? Ooh, I can delete more stuff. So on this one here, I think I called some of these levels okay, and I feel like I identified this channel pretty well, and I think it's going to start testing up above and it's going to go up here. So I should have probably stayed in the trade, but I didn't have a good feeling about this because this is got the potential of coming back up here to the mid that it held before and kind of zinging down. But, we'll see in the next video. I would grade my trading here kind of like B minus maybe, even though we did get a decent profit on this. I'm not too happy with it. We did screw up, and when I say we, I mean I did screw up with one of the orders there where actually I screwed up twice. Once I thought I was in the other direction and I was adding to it, but I wound up getting out of a short. And then I don't like the fact that I accidentally bought 3 instead of 2. So that kind of actually it probably helped us a little bit. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, we got no body on this guy here. So potential. I mean, these have, we've got the OR mid here, these 2 reds, and this guy here are indicators of a short, but all these are like, let's say, average intensity and a couple on the long side, but we shall see what happens with this. We'll probably start the next one around 145 because I did a lot of yapping on this one towards the end. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you all on the next one.